Our today's cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria, they were first seen by Colliker in the year 1880 and they were named mitochondria by Benda in 1898. Location: the mitochondria, they are found in almost all the eukaryotic cells. They are absent in prokaryotic cell. Mitochondria are absent in mature RBCs, although they are present before the maturation of RBCs. In younger RBCs, mitochondria are present, but in mature RBCs, they are absent. Mitochondria, they are found in more numbers in cells which are more active. For example, the muscle cells, these are found in sperms and intestinal epithelial cells where they perform the function of absorption of food. Now, the structure of mitochondria, although they can be seen as small spheres under light microscope, but their detailed structure can be seen through the electron microscope. These are rod-shaped organelles bounded by two membranes. One is the outer membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and freely permeable, and one is the inner membrane. Inner membrane has got several infolds. Infolds, yani at places it is folded inwards in the matrix. These infolds are called cristae. These infolds are called cristae. Now, the space between two membranes, this space between two membranes is called intermembranal space, and the space inside cristae is called intercrystal space. The space bounded by two membranes, this whole space inside the mitochondria, it is called matrix. This is called matrix, and the matrix consists of, inside matrix what is present? There is present one or two circular DNA. Circular DNA is present. There are present, matrix consists of, there are present some lipids, some proteins, some ribosomes are present, and the ribosomes present inside the mitochondria, they are called mitoribosomes, and these ribosomes, they are 70S. These are the 70S ribosomes, they are present, and there are also present inside, there are present some ions. Ions mainly, they are the calcium ions and magnesium ions. There is present rRNA also. All the three type of RNA, that is ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA and transfer RNA, all the three rRNAs, they are found inside the matrix. So matrix consists of proteins, some lipids ribosomes, which are 70S, RNA, all the three types, rRNA, mRNA and tRNA, there are present certain fibers, crystals, granules, etc. are present, and uh, this is all inside the matrix. This is the structure of mitochondria. If we see through electron microscope, the cristae on cristae are located oxysomes. Cristae, they contain oxysomes. These are oxysomes. Let us see the detailed structure of oxysomes, how they are present. Say, this is the outer membrane, inner membrane, say. What we are drawing, the inner membrane and the cristae. This is the outer membrane of mitochondria. This is outer membrane of mitochondria. This is the inner membrane of mitochondria. This is intermembranal space, and this is the intercrystal space, and there are located oxysomes. Like this. All oxysomes, they have three basic parts: the base, a stalk, and a head. These are present all over the cristae. The structure of one oxysome, let us see. Base, stalk, and head. This is oxysome. This is the rounded head, which is also called F1 subunit. And this is the base piece, which is also called FO or F0 subunit. The base and the head, they are connected by a stalk. The diameter of this head is 100 angstrom, and this base length, ये वाला जो है हमारे पास, this is 115 angstrom. This width, this इतना ही यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this is the 45 angstrom, and the diameter of the stalk, this one, this is 33 angstrom. This is the detailed structure of the cristae and oxysomes. These oxysomes, they represent ATP synthetase, यानी यहाँ पे जो एंजाइम है, जो रेस्पिरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ फूड होता है, ATP सिंथेसिस होती है, द एंजाइम ATP synthetase, which is concerned with ATP formation. This is the site which represents the enzyme site. Now, the mitochondria, they are self-duplicating organisms. Self-duplicating means नए mitochondria जो हैं, they are formed from the old mitochondria. Older mitochondria, they grow in size and then they divide. Since they contain a circular DNA, they have amino acids, proteins, and all the three types of RNAs present in them. So they are capable of undergoing their division. What are the functions of mitochondria? They are known as the powerhouse of the cell or the storage batteries. ATP formation and ATP storage is done inside mitochondria. Some amino acids are also formed inside mitochondria. Mitochondria, they also regulate calcium ion concentration, and they have enzymes for various type of lipid synthesis. That's all regarding mitochondria.